natataas yung ano doon, babalik yung bola. So, kailangan mo hintayin na natataas yun. Okay? Ayun na, tumaas na. So, pwede. Stop na ako, guys. Dito daw kami papasok. Kikita nyo ba? Oh. Pasok.
Mama, can I say something? Mama, can I say something? I saw my classmate. Mama.
Pasok. Guys, yung nakikita nyo dyan, lahat. Kami yan lahat. Ayaw, tinan nyo. Bro. Injury. Ayan. Halata naman guys kung saan kami pupunta. No?
Bowling. My son's bowling.
May son's bowling. Alay. What is that? What do you call that one?
I don't know.
Ha?
No, that's not pool. This is like some weird sort of like soccer for lazy people. There.
Ayan na. Nagde-decide na kung ilan talaga yung magbo-bowling. Ah. Ayun. Yeah, me. Busyang Explorer. Oh, see? Ah. Okay. Size 7. Okay. Yeah, okay. This one. Lamar. Ay.
Too tight?
No. It's too big for me.
Size 7?
Yeah.
Size 6?
Nice. Okay. Nice. Thank you. O yung iba, yung mga anak mo. Ano yung shoes ko yung son?
You hold it.
Dito? Dalhin ko? Okay. Ako makakaboling. Thank you. First time dito pa guys sa Canada. Wow, mas maluwang pala dito. Auntie. Mas maluwang pala dito. Guys, mas maluwang pala dito, oh. Oh. Ayaw, guys. Diyan kami lahat. Ang ganda. Ayan, pakita ko yung paligid. Strike. Lahat kami sino naka-strike? Siya naka-strike. Sino pa may naka-strike?
Kirsten.
Yung ito naka-strike. Sino pa? Ha?
No?
Ikaw?
Triple X.
Okay.
Go,
Go, go, go, go!
want a strike?
Strike?
Yeah.
Naka-strike yung ano.
Ito, just...
Go! Strike. Strike. One. Sinasim na namang beses siya naka-strike. Diba? Ang galing nga! Yay! How many strike? Two. Two, okay. Three. How about you? One strike? How about you nothing?
I don't remember. Did I get strike?
How about you, Brian?
Nothing.
Tatlo?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Wait, this time?
Wow! 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 One more!
Kagabi, ang sakit rin ng ulo ko. Nung tinahay ko, nawala. Tatlo. Oh.
Oh, yeah! Okay.
Saglit lang ate.
Next! Sinong next? Sabi ng Tigurian. O sige. Ayan! Ayan! Ayan sa Tigurian!
Wala rin sa practice.
It's okay. Sino yun? Sino yun? Sino yun? Sino yung naka-strike? Oh, yung anak mo tatlo. Oh, tatlong strike.
Magaling nga mag-calling sa amin. Ay no, yun si La Pepe.
What is that?
One more Pepe.
May I see? What is this? Ante, ang niya lagi toy drinks talaga. What is this? Chicken? Is this chicken?
Ayaw pa kanina eh.
Oh, busang na. Ay,